Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO T2 Pro and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show you much faster access to it. So let's enter the settings first of all, and here in the list we have to find the option display and brightness. Now let's localize the eye protection. It should be almost at the very top of the list. You can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and you can see the changes that the screen turns a little bit yellowish. It is basically in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. You can leave it like this if you want to, but you can also customize it. So let's simply tap on this eye protection option, and let's start with the intensity. By going to the left you can make it much cooler, and by going to the right much warmer. It's almost orangish, I would say, so set it just like you want to. Here you've got also the anti-fatigue brightness, so you can turn it on and off just by using the switcher. You can schedule that feature. And the none option is manual option, so you have to manually turn it on and off from sunset to sunrise, which means that your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is, I believe, location based, and you can turn it on at custom time, so you can freely pick the start and the end time, and of course your device will apply the eye protection accordingly. It's up to you. So this is the whole customization of this feature, and in order to have much faster access to it, simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully, and let's localize the option eye protection. Currently it is turned off, so simply tap on it to turn it on, and as you can see the screen will change. And the same situation if you want to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.